Crypto market 2025 is here, but the biggest question is how do you invest safely without risking your hard-earned money? Stay tuned because today I will share future-proof crypto strategies that can help you protect your wealth and grow it smartly. Welcome to Healthy and Wealth, your trusted place for health and wealth tips. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and share so you never miss powerful tips to improve your life and money. Safe Crypto Strategy 2025. Number first, focus on blue chip cryptos. Stick with strong, time-tested coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are considered the blue chip stocks of crypto. Don't chase every new coin in 2025. Most are failed. Diversify wisely. Never put all your money in one coin. Split between crypto, stablecoins, and even traditional assets like gold or index funds for balance. Number 3. Use dollar cost averaging (DCA). Instead of investing a lump sum, put in small amounts regularly. For example, 1000 rupees every week. This reduces risk from market ups and downs. Number 4. Keep funds in safe wallets. Use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor for long-term holdings. Exchanges can get hacked, but wallets give you more control. Number 5. Stay updated with regulations. Governments are tightening rules in 2025. Always check whether the exchange or coin complies with laws in your country. Number 6. Avoid meme coins and hype. Quick gains look tempting, but also most meme coins crash. Focus on projects with real-world utility like blockchain, finance, AI, or healthcare. Number 7. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Never invest your emergency fund. Treat crypto as a part of your wealth strategy, not your entire wealth. Conclusion. So friends, there are the 7 safest crypto strategies for 2025. Remember, smart investing isn't about chasing hype. It's about protecting and steadily growing your wealth. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy and Wealth for more health and wealth strategies that can change your life. Thank you.